OnlyFans has become increasingly popular over the last few years, with many major celebrities trying to get in on the action. Some notable names include Bella Thorne, Denise Richards, your grandma.
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
There are three main pillars you must consider if you're thinking about starting an OnlyFans, so listen close and stick around till the end because the third one is the most important. Pillar number 1. A 2022 report suggested that consumers spent over $5.6 billion on OnlyFans in just that year alone, with over 400 million active users on the website. That's a lot of money being thrown around into the pockets of creators. There really is no better time to hop into the platform, and if you think it's too saturated, you are simply dead wrong. OnlyFans is only getting bigger, and more creators are joining every year to get their own piece of the pie. The platform continues to grow in size, and every day a new creator reaches financial freedom. Pillar number 2. You gotta ask yourself, is this for me? I'm not gonna bullshit you and tell you should start an OnlyFans account for the sole purpose of money, but what it can provide is autonomy for creators, meaning freedom over one's lifestyle and time. If you're skeptical about starting an OnlyFans, one of the ways you could start out if you're concerned about putting yourself online is by dipping your toes in the water with a faceless OnlyFans account. By only showing the neck down and being a creator, it will give you a chance to start making a bit of money while staying anonymous, giving you a feel for the platform. Many creators do this, and some make it work really well. If you're on the more confident side and are happy putting yourself out there, you will typically have more advantages showing off those pretty eyes and that face of yours. The eyes are the window into the soul, and that's what many of your fans will connect with. Pillar number 3, this is a business, not a get rich quick. Conversely, it is one of the fastest and easiest ways to make 10K per month online if you know what you're doing, of course. You must understand the average creator on OnlyFans only earns about $160 per month, which sounds horrible, I know, but it's because the average creator doesn't know what they're doing. OnlyFans isn't something you can just half-ass and make a full-time living at. Sure, maybe you can make a couple extra $100 a month, but if you're thinking about starting a page and your goal is financial and time freedom, I strongly suggest you go all in. Treat it like the business it is. I've personally helped scale creators from 0 to 5,000 per month in about 90 days, so I know this is possible. Just like any business, you must do your research. Watch YouTube channels like mine and try to find strategies to get in the top 5% of creators, and you can literally quit your job and go full time. It doesn't even take that much time to do. Just a bit of effort can go a long way.